how to become successful in forex trading. Can you become a good forex trader? What are the things that you need to keep in mind that how to become a successful forex trader? Is there any tips or any tricks so that you can become a successful in the forex trading? Okay, so yeah, actually there are lots of questions that are moving in your mind. Okay, so but you don't worry about it. In this video I am going to discuss some of the basic tips that how you can become a successful forex trader. Okay, so let's get started. Yo, what's up guys, this is Keshav, a blogger, social media influencer, a forex trader, a forex coach and the founder of trendingknowledge.com. You are welcome to my channel Trending Knowledge. Yeah, actually if you are new to this channel then please subscribe my channel also, and if you are not connected with me on Instagram then you can also connect with me on Instagram, because in that platform I am posting daily 3 to 4 posts and some of the tips related to forex trading. So stay connected with me on Instagram also. Okay, yeah, actually there are lots of traders who lose their money due to the lack of knowledge and lack of the strategies. Some of the traders even know about that, but they don't have any idea that how to apply these strategies. Actually the traders are of two types. First is traders on the basis of their client's account, and second type is traders on their personal account. On their client's accounts means they trade on their client's account, and their personal account means they trade on their personal accounts. So it is the brief summary that you need to know before starting. Okay, so now I am going to discuss some of the tips that you must know. Okay, so first is set aside expectations. Here actually there are most of the new traders who really obsessed to make profits, and they don't even think about the losses of their trades and starts losing their money. So it is very important to set aside these expectations. If they make good profits in the starting, then they become overconfident, and after that they trade without the knowledge and without the tricks or without the strategies, and that's why they start losing their money. So it is very important to set aside these expectations. So now second is define your trading risk profile. Now before entering into the forex trader's journey, you should have a deep knowledge about the markets and its basics. Also you should have a clear in your mind about its revenue and its investment. But always remember one thing: invest only what you can afford to lose. Okay, even if you have a proper knowledge too, but there is always a point where you can stuck and start losing your money. So you should define your trading risk profile. It's very important. Third is choosing a right trading strategy. Okay, so now you chosen to become a forex trader. So its next step is to choose a right strategy for your trading. Yeah, actually there are most of the traders who really don't have their right strategy, that how to use that platforms. Even you can make your own strategies too after observing this whole platform of this trading. You can use your own tools according to you if you have a proper knowledge and proper skill set. Fourth is keep your emotions aside. If you really want to earn more money through the forex trading, then you need to keep your emotions aside. Actually emotions are the worst enemy of the people who really want to become a forex trader. Most of the people always want to win every trade and to beat the market, but after that they become fail and starts losing their money. Always keep in mind one thing, that it's not a game. If you want to become successful forex trader, then you should be in a discipline and to keep patience. One of the best way to prepare for it is that always try every trade on a demo account, so that you got an idea that how all these things work and how your new strategies work. Okay, so now fifth is set your stop losses and take profits. When you are trading, to set your stop losses and take profits is really very important for you, because they always prevent you from the losses that you are going to face. Stop losses means your order will automatically stop at the point of risk to lose your money. Take profits means your position of order will stop automatically when it reaches at the predefined value. Okay, so now sixth point is avoid over trading. I know that you set your goals to become a successful forex trader, but it does not mean to trade all the time. Over trading will be very dangerous for you, because not every time you will win your trade. Actually over trading is of two types. First is trading too frequently, and second is trading with high much of volume. Trading too frequently means to trade outside the scalping strategies, and it's damn sure that you will always lose your money if you start over trading. When you are trading on a live account, then you must have a strategy with specific and the predefined conditions for your entry and exit of the trades. Now seventh and last point is develop a trading plan. Yeah, actually to develop a trading plan is really very important for you, because it always prevents you to lose your money and to win your trade every time. Most of the beginners always develop a negative trading plan, and when they luckily win a trade, then they start over trading, and trust me guys, it will be very dangerous for you if you don't have your trading plan. To develop a trading plan is really most important thing in your trading. It always prevents you to lose your money. Okay, so guys, these are some of the basic tips that is necessary to keep in mind, and they will really help you to win every trade and to become a successful forex trader. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, then please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button also if you are new here. Okay, so stay connected with me. Let's meet in the next video. Have a good day.